Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Senko Technology. For today, this video session is a demonstration for our products BN100 and BN100 Plus by using our SCPI command. First of all, we want to connect our equipment to the I/O library. The I/O library we recommended the keyside connection aspect 2018, and once we download and open up, what we need to do is to add the LAN instrument. Okay, once we click into the add the LAN instrument and we set the address. By default, our equipment IP address is 127.0.0.1. So after key in the IP address, we can test this visa address. Okay, so as you can see, the connection is established. So we can start to connect the I/O with our VNA. So in the screen, as you can see, this is our application interface, and this is a default setting. We start in 1 megahertz to stop at 6.5 gigahertz. And how can we set the frequency by using the SCPI command? There we go. So we go with the interactive I/O, and very first thing we need to check the connection by keying the command IDN and click send command. What is the next to do is that we can have some simple SCPI command we can set. So very first thing, I want to set the start frequency with 2 gigahertz. So we just copy and paste and send the command. And we can check back into our application screen. So as you can see, there's a 2 gigahertz start frequency. And what's the next thing is that we're going to set the stop frequency. Let's say we set to the 4.5 gigahertz. Copy and paste. Immediately our application, you can see that stop frequency is on 4.9 gigahertz. And what else we can do? We can set to open the marker, add the marker start at the center frequency 3.25 gigahertz, and we can select the frequency to marker 1 example. We go to 2.5 gigahertz. So as you can see, the marker is set to 2.5 gigahertz right now. Okay, so this is how our BN100 and the SCPI commands works together at the same times. Okay, thanks for watching. Thank you.